So let's start at the beginning. What is Islam? And if you're thinking, brother, look, I'm already Muslim, I don't need to hear this. You actually need to hear this more than the non-Muslim. Islam does not mean peace. Many Muslims today tell you, brother, Islam means peace. And I understand it comes with a good heart and a good intention. So many Muslims will tell you that, brother, Islam means peace, thinking this is appealing to people. Whereas in reality, Islam does not mean peace. Never has meant peace, never will mean peace. I'm not saying Islam is not a peaceful religion. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying this. But the word Islam, and this is the problem, if the very definition of my deen I'm getting it wrong, what does it say about the rest of it? If I have a wrong understanding of the very name of my faith, then you understand why a lot of us are confused. So let's go to the very, very beginning. What does Islam mean? The word Islam means submission. And wallahi, tonight's lesson is for Muslims and non-Muslims. Islam means submission. To who? To what? To my desire? To my dad? To the area? To social norms? Pressures? Peer pressure? Submission to who? To what? You as a Muslim, you need to understand. To what? To who? To Allah. So Islam means submission. To who? To what? To Allah and His Prophet and my dad and my mom and the area and the boys. To who? To Allah and His Prophet only. Period. Islam is submission. How much submission? 10%? 50%? When I like it? When it suits me? When it feels right? When it's acceptable in my community? When? And how much? Allah says, all. Completely. Islam is submission. Full submission. Complete submission. To who? To what? To Allah and His Prophet only. Does Allah need me? No. Does Allah need my salah? No. Does Allah need my conviction in my faith? No. Does Allah is free from anything and anyone. We have to understand. Tonight may seem a bit harsh, but wallahi, I don't intend on being harsh. But we need to understand, because sometimes we need to go back to basics. And I'm going to come back to non-Muslims, because you and I sometimes, in trying to convince the non-Muslim, we skip the very basics of Islam. If you have not established Allah with the non-Muslim that you're talking to, anything you speak to them about after, it's insignificant. It doesn't matter anymore, because the very essence you've missed. Those people that have submitted completely and fully to Allah and His Prophet, what's their name? They're Muslims. Meaning he has submitted. Aslam, he's a Muslim. Aslam, he submitted. To who? To Allah and His Prophet. Now these people that submit to Allah and His Prophet fully, these people will find rest and peace and happiness and tranquility and they will find all of this in their lives if they follow Allah and His Prophet how Allah Azza wa Jal wants.